This is why we tell you to look at your plants when you buy them at the nursery. We had experienced a 30-degree single night temperature. The nursery couldn't get all of their plants inside. They only stuck them as far down as they could on the ground to cover them under a bench. But as you can see, the freeze still affected the leaves of these marigolds. Marigolds are tough though, so they will probably come out of this because the new buds underneath here are still fine. The majority of the plant is still fine. It's just the top leaves that got burned from the freeze. That's why you need to make sure you look for damage to plants before you buy them and try to buy healthier plants. But this plant will also survive this damage.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.